Okay, this is going to be a kind of a wide-angle demo of the new 7-inch CTMP2020. On the web interface, I have loaded a breaker description here, orange gold, breaker 111, job 10,002. I have some descriptive data in here, lemon line, A-phase CT. Here I have the news feed, and as tests are completed, they will show up in the news feed, where I can either generate a report and then view the report in a permanent database data sheet, or if I decide there was something wrong with that test, I can delete it. So what I'm going to do now is I have the gamepad plugged in. I'm going to refresh the page, and then I'm going to use the gamepad to control the test set. You can see that under here, the main menu, I'm going to scroll down to the ratio mode, press the trigger, select the ratio mode with the gamepad, and then I'm going to just press the hotkey 2. When I control it with the gamepad, automatically arms FTP. So I'm going to press the hotkey, and the test set will start into the test. So let's go over and look at the test set. Back it up a little bit here. See the whole test set. It's now testing the 2005 tap. Save that as 1999.97. It's also saving it to the flash drive, as you can see. All data is saved in this mode is saved to both the flash drive, if you have one in there, of course, and it is posted to the database, posted to the server so you can incorporate it in the database. As you can see, it's now doing the 1600 to 5 tap. It is saving that data. The blue LED indicates that the blue jack is lit. The blue jack is energized, the X2 jack. Now doing the 800 to 5, just got done saving that. Now doing the X4 tap. It's 500 to 5, so it's 500.18, saved it as. Okay, now it's going to do a saturation test. See the new log graph. It is ramping up the voltage on the X1 tap. It's reached the saturation point. It says SAT under the amps. You hear it start to hum a little there. It is now running the variac back down to demagnetize and plotting the saturation curve. It is also now recording that data to the flash drive. While it's recording to the flash drive, this is a good time to check out the curve and see if it saturates at the point you expected. the curve plots until the point where it goes flat. There's no point in pushing the current any further than that. You can see where it saturates quite clearly there. Okay, it has completed the X1 tap and is now going to test the X2 tap. The blue light is on since X2 is the blue jack on the front of the test set. So it tells you, the light tells you which jack is energized. It is saving the data for the on the flash drive for the blue jack. And I noticed I started this test with the gamepad, so I could do the test, actually do the test from my office with untrained people in the field. And I could have the data right there in the office, no waiting for somebody to bring a data sheet back from the field. Okay, it has plotted the data, the saturation curve on the screen. Now it's going to test the green tap. Is now testing the X4 tap and plotting that curve. Saving that to the flash drive. Okay, the test is complete. It is downloading and refreshing the job and breaker and description data. It is now posting the test results to the server, and it gives you the name of the two files there on the bottom of the screen that it posted. Now going back over here to the screen again, let me zoom in a little here. What I can do is, you can see in the news feed, you see there's information there. That is the test results that I've just done. I can scroll down and look through them. You can see I have the TAP X4 results. I can look through them, and if I don't like them for some reason, oh my God, that's wrong, I can delete them. So I don't have to put them in the database. But I'm not going to delete these. I can press the delete key to delete them, but I'm going to press the generate report key. Once the report is generated, it's now in the database, so it's no longer in the news feed. As you can see, the news feed is now empty. I can click View Report, put in breaker 111 and job number 10,002, and you see there's Orange Grove Lemon Line A phase, the breaker, job number, the time, the date and time it was done, the results of the test on the ratio test on the 4 taps, and the saturation results on the 4 taps. And that is a complete test of a multi-tap CT. I can now, if I want, repeat that test by either using the gamepad to press hotkey 2, or using the touch screen to press hot 2. And that is the way that works. Thank you for watching.